If you're a flat earther, you've probably had someone attempt to mock you by asking you, well, what's an equatorial mount for a telescope then? Some comments include things like this. Effed up world, also as you seem to own a telescope, please explain how an equatorial mount works. That explanation should be a real LOL. Well, Wikipedia says an equatorial mount is a mount for instruments that compensates for Earth's rotation by having one rotational axis parallel to the Earth's axis of rotation. And then Wikipedia says Earth's rotation is the rotation of planet Earth around its own axis. Earth rotates eastward in a prograde motion. As viewed from the North Pole star Polaris, Earth turns counterclockwise. I don't believe that Earth rotates at all. I believe the sky rotates. So an equatorial mount actually proves something that a lot of people wouldn't want it to prove. But if we're honest with ourselves, let's ask the question, does the Earth rotate or does the sky rotate? What is the purpose of an equatorial mount? Well, it follows the moving sky. And of course, Wikipedia says the apparent motion of the stars. That's because we can see them moving. So is the ground that we mount our telescope on moving? Is it rotating? I have to say that nobody has any evidence of it rotating. The only reason why I made this equatorial mount for my camera was because the ground isn't moving and the sky is moving. I point my equatorial mount axis towards the North Star. So what an equatorial mount proves is that there is a center star that all the other stars circle around. And the equatorial mount would not exist if the sky was not turning and the ground stationary. So an equatorial mount, to me, proves that the ground is established and it won't be moved, and it never has moved unless there's been an earthquake.